Hello everyone, this is Rainbow Touches. Let's take a look at our customer service capability today. First of all, our business will ask the customer's requirements and then use our 16 years of clothing customization experience to communicate with the customer on how to make these products more detailed and more in line with the needs of the market. We have a variety of clothing craft supplies, support customized washing labels, packaging bags and other materials, and can achieve faster delivery. Follow up the product's process throughout the business and do a good job in pre-sale and after-sales service. If you agree with us, you can follow us and look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.